Hey everybody, today's lesson is on identifying conic sections. At this point we have covered all four conic sections, circles, ellipses, hyperbolas, and parabolas, and today we're going to kind of be putting it all together. We can use this as a general form of a conic section, and general form means it could be any of the conic sections when it's written this way. We can quickly and easily identify which of the conic sections it is by comparing the coefficients of the variables. If your coefficient in front of the x squared term and the coefficient in front of the y squared term are equal, then it must be a circle. Remember that parabolas only have one variable squared. It only has an x squared or a y squared. So if a is 0, you wouldn't have an x squared term. Or if c was 0, you wouldn't have a y squared term. So if you're missing one of the squared terms, you know it's going to be a parabola. You have an ellipse when the two coefficients are not equal, but they have the same sign. And you have a hyperbola if a and c have different signs. Remember that the standard form of hyperbola has that minus sign in between, so this is a really easy way to check and see if it's a hyperbola. For our first example, we're going to classify each conic section. So we're not actually graphing or doing anything with it other than identifying which type it is. For part A, well, let's see, x squared and y squared, the coefficient here is 1 and the coefficient here is -3. They have different signs. Because they have different signs, we know this must be a hyperbola. For part B, here's an x squared and a y squared term. The coefficient for each one is 1. They're the